Hi everyone. On the previous video, we have discussed about what is biggest myths in the stock market. Almost 10 myths we discussed, and today we'll discuss one of them, that in the stock market is gambling, or is it true of that investing in the money in stock market. We'll discuss on that. The most surprising thing is that many financial graduates believe that the stock market is a gambling. It is the one of the gambling place the people can understand it. However, the reality is entirely different. Stock market is a place where people buy and shares of a company. It is a regulated marketplace where buyers and sellers meet to exchange ownership in publicly traded companies. Transactions on the stock market are done through a brokers who are licensed and regulated by the government. Gambling is when you risk money with an uncertain outcome for the chances of winning more money. Trading stock is not a gambling because you are not risking your money with a specific outcome on the possibility of making more money. When you trade a stocks, you are buying and selling shares of a companies to make a profit. Some financial instruments like futures and options are developed to provide a hedging like insurance for the investors. But most newcomers take a trade in futures and options without knowing how they work and lose the money. And this is what people lose the money, because people can understand often losing the money. Stock market is a gambling, but it's not a gambling. It is how you analyze the market, how you enter the stocks, and how you exit the stocks, how you maintain the stocks. Everything is included that. Without knowing that, don't do anything in an investment. If you wanted to invest in it, please take a SEBI registered financial advisor's advice. And friends, if you wanted to understand more about intraday trading, and so we have done a very special course how we can hack the intraday. That is knowledge purpose. I'm saying that is not an investment purpose. So please go with financial advisor advice and then invest. So our course is made how we can make the trend line, how we can understand the price actions, and how we can hack the intraday. So where to entry, where to exit, and what is the index of the stock market. So everything we made it in a very designed course it is. If you wanted to understand, please enroll that, and at a very reasonable price we made that. And one more thing, if you don't like the course, within 72 hours we'll refund our 100% money without any questions. Anyway friends, if you like our video, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel. In the future, so we are going to explain about now what is the feature and what is the what are the hedging strategy. So one by one we'll explain that. We are going to make it that very designedly. And now we are saying that very basically how the stock market is working, how we wanted to take a decisions. Everything we are going in a step by step. In upcoming videos, we will tell what are the hedging strategies, how you can entry and how you can exit. Everything we are going to explain that. So if you wanted to understand more about that, please subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.